Slowly I come into his arms with nothing to bring but all of my heart. How could this be? The way he looks in my eyes, all broken in crimson sin. He sees only white, and I can't do anything to gain what he's done.
Correct. Oh, no way.
He just loves me because he loves me because he loves me, just because he does.
Oh, wow.
Tired and afraid, forgotten what's paid, so I'll hide in my shame like an orphan in chains.
It's going great. I scored.
I ran from my promise, but it's never enough. It's my walls and my mountains,
Like, who were they going to?
always ran out of luck. And I can't do anything to deserve what he's done. He just loves me because he loves me because he loves me, just because he does. I'm his beloved, I am his friend. His love has no limit, from beginning to end. No angel or demon will ever separate me from his goodness and his wonderful grace. So let me remind you of all that he's done. He just loves you 'cause he loves you 'cause he loves you, just because he does. You are his favorite. You are his friend. No weapon against you ever stands chance. Not heaven or hell, nor darkness or light will ever deny you of his wonderful smile. So I won't be silent. It's too good to be true. He just loves you 'cause he loves you 'cause he loves you 'cause he loves you. No, I won't be silent. It's too good to be true. He just loves you 'cause he loves you 'cause he loves you 'cause he loves you.
And then maybe just like his idea was
No, I got somebody besides Willow for once.
Oh, wow. He just bit my hand. You bit me. Ow.
Don't have the.
Y'all didn't tell me he was gonna bite my hand. Oh.
You have so much messy eaters. Holy.
That one got
Oh,
up.
we just live.
Wyatt.
Oh man, they're all over here now. Look, bro, the ladies always wanted me.